Hi, my name is Vinny Jagapanani. I'm a solution engineer from Aerosmart. Today we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison of DJI Zenmuse L2 and the new and improved DJI Zenmuse L3. Let's dive into it. The L2 has been a trusted LiDAR system for the surveyors for years, but DJI now has released the Zenmuse L3 and it brings major improvements in the range, RGB resolution and overall mapping efficiency for the surveyors. Let's begin with the LiDAR system. The Zenmuse L2 uses a 905 nanometer laser with a maximum detection range of 450 meters and supports up to 5 returns. Now the Zenmuse L3 moves to a 1535 nanometer long range LiDAR with a maximum detection range of 950 meters and up to 16 returns. The laser spot on the L3 is significantly tighter, allowing it to detect smaller details and create higher quality point clouds. Next, the camera system. The L2 includes a single 20 megapixel camera, while the L3 upgrades to dual 100 megapixel camera with a field of view of 107 degree. This enables high resolution orthophotos and allows mapping with just 20% overlap. In terms of accuracy and point cloud quality, the L2 typically achieves around 4 centimeters of vertical accuracy, while the L3 achieves under 3 centimeters at common survey altitudes and can maintain strong accuracy even at 300 meters or higher. The point cloud thickness is cleaner, producing more sharper and more detailed 3D model. Mapping efficiency significantly improves with the L3. When paired with DJI Matrix 400 drone, the L3 can map up to 100 square kilometers per day, and it also supports flight altitudes up to 500 meters and offers advanced scanning modes including real-time terrain follow. Now when it comes to use cases, the use cases differ between the two sensors. The L2 is still ideal for small to medium survey projects, construction, mapping and forestry with moderate canopy, while the L3 excels in large area topographical surveys, long corridor mapping, tower inspection and detailed 3D modeling. Now the workflow improvements also favors the L3. It offers smart flight recommendations, split screen monitoring, real-time point cloud previews and faster measurement tools right from the controller. It also integrates DJI Terra, DJI Modify for streamlined post-processing. In conclusion, choose the Zenmuse L2 if you want a reliable, cost-effective LiDAR for typical survey jobs. Choose the Zenmuse L3 if you need a long-range, high-resolution RGB imaging, dense LiDAR point clouds, and maximum efficiency for large or complex projects. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which one would you choose, the L2 or the L3. See you in the next video.